For my meal prep containers, I'm using these plastic ones that I purchased in a pack of 50 from Amazon. If you watch one of my old meal prep videos, you've probably seen me use these before. These containers are a year old. My sister and I use them all the time for meal prepping. However, I really recommend that you use glass meal prep containers instead. And actually, after I recorded this video, my sister and I got some glass meal prep containers, so I wasn't able to use it for this video, but I definitely just want to recommend that you guys, invest in some nice glass containers rather than plastic, just because the glass is way safer when you heat it up in the microwave. It keeps your food fresh longer. The plastic just after a while gets really gross, and it's just not safe for your food if you're constantly heating it up in the microwave. But I know the glass containers are a little bit pricey, so if you do have plastic containers, just take your food off and put it on a separate plate when you microwave it, just to be safe. I mean, just a tip, you guys. I just wanted to put it out there just in case, because I've been meal prepping for years now, and I just feel like the glass ones are so much better. Guys, so I decided to verbally explain this next part because it's really important. I am preparing the tofu and preparing it to be fried. Before recording this video, I literally tried this recipe so many times, trying to perfect it because I really want to get a crispy and crunchy tofu piece. I found that using firm, super firm, or extra firm tofu works the best because it has the least amount of water. And I decided to also press my tofu even more just to get some excess water out, because I found that the less water, the better it is to fry. see I'm putting a lot of mashed potatoes in these meal prep containers, but that's only because my sister and I are trying to increase our calories because we struggle with gaining weight, so we need to make sure we're getting enough carbs in our diet. Now, if you're watching this video and you want to lose weight and you still want to cook this recipe, well, you still can. However, I recommend that you cut down those mashed potatoes in half, or even roast some like red potatoes instead, and then definitely add some more veggies because you want to cut down on those carbs and increase your veggies and your proteins. So I just wanted to give you guys a heads up for that. Alright guys, that is the end of this video. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like content like this so I know to create more. And leave me a comment. Let me know if you recreated any of these dishes or which one is your favorite. Now before I go, I just want to show you guys how I reheat these meals the next day, because I always get asked, how I make it stay fresh, on day 4. If your meal is sealed and stored properly, it will remain fresh throughout the week. But there are definitely some things that you can do to brighten the dish, such as adding some citrus like lemon or lime, some fresh herbs, some nuts, sesame seeds, something to change the texture. For the pasta salad, I added some olive oil and lemon. And for the chicken and mashed potatoes, I added some extra lemon and just like seasoning and sriracha for spice. Thank you guys so much for watching. I seriously appreciate all your love and support.